welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to turn on recommendation notifications on the X app for PC after the new update. If you've noticed fewer suggestions or missed out on trending topics that match your interests, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so your settings can be saved properly. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see a bell icon labeled Notifications. Go ahead and click on that. Now, look to the top right corner of the Notifications page. There should be a small gear icon marked Settings. Click on it, and this will take you directly into your notification settings panel. Next, you'll see an option called Preferences. This is where you can customize exactly what you want to be notified about. Select Preferences, and inside, you'll find another section labeled Push Notifications. Choose that to open all the available notification types that X offers. Scroll down until you see the category titled From X. Under this section, there's an option simply called Recommendations. This is the key setting that controls notifications about recommended posts, accounts, and topics based on your activity and interests. Make sure this box is checked or toggled on. Once it's on, your PC app will begin sending notifications for recommendations directly to your desktop whenever something relevant comes up. You'll be able to stay updated with trending content, new discussions, and suggested connections tailored just for you. When you're done, you can exit the settings menu and your changes will automatically be saved. That's it. You've just reactivated your recommendation notifications on X. It's a small adjustment, but it makes a big difference in how personalized your experience feels. Thanks for watching.